You should consider upgrading your fuel rail, and here's why. A common issue with the Can-Am X3 is the factory fuel line that connects to the fuel rail tends to pop off and can spray gas all over your hot engine or even you. This can cause the fuel to ignite and result in severe burning to you or your machine. For some reason, Can-Am won't address this issue, so Agency Power took it upon themselves to provide a better engineered fuel rail and fitting. So let's take a closer look. The Agency Power billet fuel rail comes in two different options for ultimate versatility. You can choose a factory fuel line clip or a -6 AN line conversion. Since this fuel rail retains the factory fuel line fitting, it is a cost-effective way of replacing your cheap plastic fuel rail. We CNC machine the fitting to prevent it from popping off and causing your worst nightmare to arise. The AN fitting option allows you to convert your lines to braided steel rather than using the stock fuel lines, which break down and rot over time. Your factory fuel rail is made of plastic and can deteriorate as well. It is also not compatible with ethanol blended fuels. If you plan on running ethanol or race gas in your machine, you need to upgrade your fuel rail, fuel lines, and your fuel pump, possibly even your injectors, but it depends on what you're going to be running. The billet fuel rail is designed for these applications while also replacing your cheap factory plastic fuel rail. This fuel rail pairs well with our injector upgrade, so while you're already in there, might as well replace them with some beefy injectors that can handle the ethanol. I'll link those down in the description below so you can check them out. Let me know down in the comments if I should unbox the fuel injectors next. By installing the Agency Power fuel rail, you are efficiently delivering fuel to all three cylinders. If you plan on making more power, the factory fuel rail is going to hold you back significantly as it's made of a cheap plastic, it breaks down over time when using ethanol, and it doesn't provide equal fueling across all cylinders. This is also a factory replacement fuel rail that will work with completely stock fueling components. We recommend that you replace your cheap plastic fuel rail even if you don't plan on making more power due to the subpar design and the materials used. That's going to wrap it up for this week's video. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments below if I should do the fuel injector video unboxing or if you have any other suggestions. Take it easy, everyone. Peace.